So are these results actually bad, or are they just not up to the lofty expectations that we have when it comes to AI?
I think you've summed it extremely well in terms of those lofty expectations. Since the end of March, the stock was up 65% into earnings. It's the third biggest contributor to the S&P's 20% rally since that time as well. So great expectations, and slightly below where the expectations were for the full year. It's partly a mix shift in terms of the timing, for sure, but obviously there was a lot of hope. And it's the first kind of negative data point, I suppose, that we've had in the whole AI narrative in recent weeks. So just at the margin, there's a little bit of a sort of a compression in terms of expectations maybe for the AI trade, which is not necessarily a bad thing, and it's not going to change the long-term opportunities for them and others. As we've heard from the likes of Google this week when they were doing their equity raise.
So they're still well priced then? Because, of course, you've got this interlocked web of all of these companies. Broadcom, part of a debt financing deal for Anthropic, and also delivering chips to OpenAI. So we can't really have too much disappointment from Broadcom when it's relying for so many other things.
Completely true. And I think the other thing they mentioned on the call, the CEO mentioned on the call last night, actually, that in terms of the timing, that they haven't got an exclusivity over they're a main partner of Google, for example, with their chipsets for AI. But it's not an exclusive arrangement. And clearly, it's likely, they admitted, that Google would look to outsource to other partners as well over time as the technology evolves. But they also mentioned that they would start to deliver the OpenAI and Microsoft chips into next fiscal year. So there are other drivers coming through for other customers. It's a question, I think, partly on the timing side. But the pullback in tech, I think, is a healthy one because we've gone up so far, so fast.